Indian navigation satellite IRN-SWAN-H, which is stuck inside PSLV C-39 rocket's heat shield and tumbling in outer space, is expected to fall in the Pacific Ocean within 2 months, a top ISRO official said. Dr. K. Sivan, director of Thiruvananthapuram-based Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, VSSC, told, "The whole thing, weighing 2.4 tons, is expected to re-enter the Earth's atmosphere within 40-60 days. We are keeping track of the satellite stuck in the heat shield. Our initial estimate shows the satellite, designated as Space Debris 2017-051A, may fall in the Pacific Ocean. We will be able to know the exact area of its falling just 5-10 days prior to its fall." He said, "When the satellite re-enters the Earth's atmosphere, tremendous amount of heat will be generated due to atmospheric friction, which will burn most parts of the satellite. Only a few components are likely to fall into the ocean." U.S. space agency NASA, which keeps an eye on space debris, will also track the satellite, designated as Space Debris, during its descent. Dr. Sivan said though the full-fledged inquiry into reasons for the heat shield glitch is going on, initial findings suggest a defect in the pyro elements of the rocket which deal with the stage separation mechanism. He said all the systems otherwise worked well during the rocket's flight. "We are doing a lot of simulations, recreating the flight condition, to find out the reason why exactly the pyro circuit failed to work," the VSSC director said. "The heat shield should have separated just over 3 minutes into the flight so that satellite could be ejected into the orbit later. All the commands were pre-planned and built into the computers. The commands had to be relayed by electrical circuits. The pyro circuit had to get initiated, which, in turn, had to cut the mechanical elements so that the two parts of the heat shield got separated. However, the separation didn't happen and it doomed the Rs-250 CRA mission." He said, "Right now, there is no change in the schedule of our launches. However, priority will be given to the launch of IRN-SWAN-I, the second standby satellite which will replace the faulty first navigation satellite IRN-SWAN-A, whose 3 atomic clocks had stopped working last year." ISRO has all the flight data as the rocket was not lost during its one-way journey. The other fortunate thing for the Indian Space Agency was that this time the agency's rocket had not carried any foreign satellite with it.